We've got confirmation in the Sun that the government is going to be pressing ahead with a ban on all disposable vapes. This is going to kick in on the 1st of June next year. So anyone that currently uses disposable vapes, and there's millions of them across the UK, have got less than 8 months left to puff away, basically hassle-free with these devices. It was something actually announced first by the last Sunak government in January, and Labour seemed broadly supportive of it at the time. But obviously, since the election, there's been no confirmation they're going to be pushing ahead with this. So we do now have that set in stone. It's an ultimatum, really, for shops, supermarkets, any sort of suppliers to get rid of their stock before that deadline comes in. Now, the government seems to have been swayed by two things predominantly. One's obviously the public health imperative to do this. We know that lots of people take up vaping. It's not ideally good for you, but also lots of kids do it as well. And we know that disposable vapes are especially used by children because of their bright packaging, sometimes their fruity flavors. But also what's interesting is what ministers are saying to us today is that actually there's a big environmental impact as well with disposable vapes. Lots of people drop them on the ground. I think there was about 5 million vapes thrown away every single week last year. And so you also be able to get the e-cigarettes, which you can fill up. When it comes to disposable ones, that's not going to be allowed from June the 1st. What it will do is once again expose Sir Keir Starmer, the Prime Minister, to accusations that he is acting with a lot of nanny state overreach. We revealed earlier this year about how there's plans to ban cigarettes in pub gardens and many other outdoor areas. The Prime Minister hasn't really shied away from the fact that he's been quite nanny state. He said that actually, he's willing to sort of encroach on people's lives for the greater good of saving their life. And so what we're going to get with this is a big old row. Once again, some people will come down on the side that, yes, this is a fantastic idea, and we should be making interventions on behalf of the government to protect people from public health dangers. But also there's going to be a lot of campaigners out there that say, hang on a minute, you said that you would tread less lightly on people's lives. At the moment, everything which you're doing in government seems to be the exact opposite.